Hi Amy, just let you know, like we said last week, we'll be doing a bit of a testing week this week, just to see where you're at. So I have your fitness test laid out here. This is just your warm up. Any questions about any of that, just let me know. And this is what we're going to be doing. It's going to be the yo-yo test. I was going to do a different test with you, but it's just a bit too complicated, the layout. So this is quite simple and it's quite similar to the test I was going to do anyway, so it'll give us a similar enough reading. Look, it gives you the layout here when you click onto this, if you just want to have a look before you do the test of the way it's supposed to be laid out. So you're going to have like 20 meters, I think, laid out. So run out and back, and then you walk the distance here in the blue. I know you can't really see it, but maybe if I click into it there, it might come up. Yeah, so out, back, and then you have a 10-meter recovery. So walk, 5 meter, blah blah blah, and back, and then you go again. This video will have the audio and the levels and all that for the test in it as well. If you want to throw your earphones in or whatever while this is playing, you can just go along to that. So there should be no real issues there. If there is any issues though, just let me know and we'll sort it out. But I'll yeah. Try and get that done this evening when you can, and be as honest as possible and record the score and send it back to me.